In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the O-ring on the keg side of a flow reversal valve. In this case, on all of our panels, the left side of the flow reversal is the keg side, the right side is the empty keg detector side. So on this one, if I zoom in, you'll see that there is a drop of beer starting to drip out right here. Step one is to untap the keg completely. That involves pulling the handle out, turning counterclockwise, removing the keg tap. Then proceed to your dispenser on the line in question and pour beer into auto mode until the empty keg detector goes empty. So now we don't have beer on the keg side anymore. The empty keg detector is clear or has evacuated most of the beer. There is still pressure on the beer line in the empty keg detector, but there won't be any pressure on the low pressure side or the keg side of the flow reversal. It is important to turn off the CO2 to the keg tap in question. That's accomplished by doing this, shutting the shutoff off on the manifold for the corresponding color. The next step is to release the quick release that is on the back side of this 90-degree connector. As you can see, I have a tool that is sliding in, sliding it into the back position, which releases the 90-degree connector. So right now there's a tab that's right here that slides forward and back, so I have it in the back position. I reach my hand, I grab the connector, and it slides out the side. There'll be a little bit of beer that leaks out. Now, if you can see on this fitting here, there's an O-ring that is located right here on this 90-degree connector, which is what we're going to be changing out. Now with a pick, a push pin, or a knife, I am hooking the old O-ring, pulling it over the top of the fitting, taking the new O-ring, which is right here. You slide it over the end of the fitting into the groove. Now you reinsert the fitting into the side of the flow jet. If it doesn't go all the way in, you must make sure that the tab that's behind it is pushed all the way back. In this case, now the tab is back. Slide the fitting in. It's going to be pretty tight, so it'll take some force. And then you're sliding the tab forward, locking the fitting back in place. Now you retap the keg, fill the empty keg detector back up, and you should be good to operate. Once it's been under pressure for a while, come back and make sure there's no leaks.